Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix secure boot needs to be enabled in Faceit. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to go ahead over to your search bar and type down system information. Okay, this one. So just click on it. And then what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and find baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. Okay. So I have here ASRock B550M Pro 4. So I'm going to keep that in mind. And then I'm going to go ahead over to my browser right here. And then just type down ASRock B550M Pro 4. You should do the same, okay, in this section. Yours may be different. Could be Asus or whatever motherboard, okay? Just type it down and include enable secure boot. The once that's done, just hit on enter and you will find a ton of articles or even manuals from your motherboard's manufacturer, just like in here, or from the AI itself. All right, it's pretty easy. You can just go ahead and follow simple prompts, take a screenshot or use your phone, okay, to take a picture of this instruction. And then after that, all you need to do is just play Faceit and the problem should be gone now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix secure boot if you got this error on Faceit or any other games such as Valorant or any other Riot games. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.